Today we're doing fried chicken. We're doing juicy, crunchy fried chicken. Today we're doing fried chicken. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Alright, welcome in, welcome back. Alright, these are our ingredients. We got our seasoned flour. That'll be down in the description below, all the ingredients we use. And we got chicken. Yeah, we gonna fry this sucker up. I'm hungry, I'm ready. This is a staple. But we gonna get started by butchering this up first. Now guys, we're gonna spend a little time on butchering up a chicken. If you've never really cut up a chicken before, stick with me. If you have butchered a chicken before, stick with me. Because we're gonna do this a little bit different than what most people do when they cook their fried chicken or their whole fried chicken. So remove all that fat on the inside. Guys, make sure you have a sharp knife here. And then we're gonna go down the breast and in between the leg. And once you've got it opened up, look at that. There was some still ice in there, but the chicken's not frozen. We're okay. So now once we have that separated, it's time to pop the thigh bone away from the back. See? Boom. Popped right out. Now just go between the backbone and the thigh. Right down. Nice and easy. Now guys, we're going to be cooking that chicken back. Alright, so now, if you take a look, see this piece of fat right here? That's right where the joint is between the thigh and the leg. Just feel with the knife. You'll eventually feel it go right through. Nice and easy. So there's your leg, and there's your thigh. So we're going to use the weight of the chicken to remove the wing from the chicken. Just hold it up, and that knuckle will just reveal itself, and you'll go right through. Just don't drop your chicken on the floor. There you go. And there's our wing. So now we're going to do the other side. Again, using the weight helps a lot. You got to pop the thigh bone away from the back. It's out, and just go right down the backbone. Nice and easy, easy schmeezy. Right, again, find that layer of fat. I don't know what's with the ice. Thought I thawed this thing out. It's in the refrigerator for 2 days. All right, so get any fat off of there that you don't want to eat. Right, you're gonna eat somebody else's fat. Again, find that line of fat to go ahead and get through the joint of the leg and the thigh. Find the joint. It's there. Take your time. Nice and easy, right through. So now we got 4 pieces of chicken. Now we're going to go get our other wing. Again, we're going to use the weight of the chicken. Find a knuckle and go right through. And there you go. So now we're going to take this back of the chicken and we're going to go right down between the breasts and cut the back off. Now guys, there's a ton of meat on that back. Don't throw that away. We're going to eat that. All right, so now this is how, now a lot of times people will go straight down the breast from the top. Let's just get the skin removed. I usually like to try and come down the side. Guys, this is a lot of meat. Now you can probably easily feed 4, but this is going to be dinner and lunch. So, we got a ton of chicken here. Now this was a fryer chicken, so this wasn't one of those oven, the oven chickens where it has the little thermometer in it. It's for roasting. This was a fryer. So it was like about a 4-pound, 5-pound piece of chicken. So most people will cut their chicken breast from the top. I've always had a hard time with that. So I kind of flip it over and go down the back of the breastbone, the tip of the knife, and I just follow along the bone. And I always get it right this way. The other way I always mess up. We just keep, shaving away at it, at the bone. Going down, and then when you hit it, you'll hit the cutting board, and you're done. Go ahead and give that a nice little slice. And there goes your chicken breast. Skinless, boneless. And there goes your chicken tender. There you go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing, just down the side. Scrape away at it. I have way more success this way. So guys, it'd be nice if you hit us up with a like and a subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Helps us out a lot. All right, right here's a wishbone. Just go ahead and get your meat off of that. And then keep scraping down. Till you hit the cutting board. We left a little piece of meat there. No meat left behind. All right. Yeah, we got that little wishbone there. So be careful. All right. And as we always say, that's for chicken stock. That goes in the freezer. All right. There's our chicken tender. All right, guys. Now, this is where things go a little different. If you have little ones, and they're like, or big ones, and they're like chicken strips or chicken nuggets, go ahead and slice up that chicken breast. Definitely can make it nugget size, but we're doing chicken strips. So, at this point, now you're gonna have something like, 18 pieces of chicken. Everybody's gonna be happy. The kids will get nuggets or strips. Definitely can make some honey mustard with this. And myself, I like whole pieces of chicken. I'm a legs and thigh type of guy. So no big piece of chicken for daddy. We're cutting that up. All right, so here we are. We got our chicken. It's all cut up. Now, real quick, see how much meat is in that backbone? All that meat on there. Let's just get rid of this. There's a lot of meat in there. And I'm going to eat that. So, no meat left behind. And then I'm trying a new overhead shot. So that's like 14, 15 pieces of chicken here, guys. Think you could hook your family up? I do. All right, so here's our seasoned flour. All the ingredients will be down below, but I make that in batches. So when you fry some fish or chicken, I have it ready. It's the one less thing to do. But we're not going to season our chicken. Now, you'll see a lot of people, they'll brine the chicken, which is good. I've done that. This works with this recipe. But we're not seasoning because our seasoning is in the flour. I don't want to over season it. You don't want to get high blood pressure. So it's enough seasoning in the flour. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of lawry's at the end anyway. So give this a good shake. Now guys, coming up is going to be the real key to good fried chicken. Now we take these out and we're going to sit them on the side, right? They sit on our pan. It's going to sit on our pan for about 15, 20 minutes. I haven't started our oil because it takes about 15, 20 minutes for that oil to heat up. So we're just waiting for our chicken to look something like this. Now take a look. You see how that flour has pasted up on there? Look at all that flavor. All that seasoning from our flour is on the chicken, which is why we don't need to double season. That, you know, we're just trying to cut back on some of the sodium we use. So, in we go. Nice hot pot. Now, we usually take out oil to like 320, 330, and then put the chicken in. If you go 360, 370, that chicken is going to burn. It's not going to be done on the inside, or it's going to come out really, really dark. So after about 15 minutes or 10 minutes, you know, we're going to go ahead. The chicken is starting to float, and we're going to go ahead and check for temperature. Now, I like to take legs and thighs to like 180, 200. 200 on the grill, 180 frying. We're at 167. Now, some people will pull this, but look at that. No, it's not done. So back in we go. We're probably about 10 minutes away, 7 minutes away. So now we're going to take another check, 183. That's right about where I like it. So back in for another 3 minutes or so. And there's our chicken strips. Those cook a lot quicker. You know, those go in. Once they start floating, they're done. Now, this is where I hit it with a little bit of Lawry's. And then I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning right on top. And guys, this is how I do it. All right, so here's a little flyover for our chicken. It's our legs and thighs, some chicken breasts on the side. Guys, this came out so good. You know, fried chicken is probably one of my favorite meals. You know, fried chicken with some potato salad, fried chicken with some fried rice. Just can't eat this all the time. All right, guys, check this out. There's the crunch. There you go, guys. Nice and crunchy. Going for some more. Guys, you gotta try it. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. All right, guys, and this is our plate that we actually plated up. All right, take a look at some of these videos at the end of this, and let's get cooking.